Hey you guys, so we're back today with a natural hair care video for our 1-year-old. In this bottle I'm just using olive oil and water, and it's a tad bit of coconut oil in it, not a lot. And I just spray that on her hair to just give it a little bit of slip. But the mane and tail moisturizing conditioner, is going to actually give it like the more shiny, lustrous look to it. So I was really excited about using that. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of like work that in from the root to the ends of her hair. She is so silly. I could not get her to be still. Now I'm just using the baby brush. I have multiples of these. I actually got them for free, so why not? But I have like a ton of these little baby brushes. So now we're just going to be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. It is for moisturizing, and it's to just help the curls get a little bit more defined. It's great for thick and curly hair, so that's why I grabbed it, because it helps to reduce frizz, which comes with curls. You know, your natural hair curls, you're just gonna get frizz. That's just what it is. So I'm just brushing hair up, and I kind of brush her baby hairs down, but not a lot, because I'm really not all into that. But you know, I do it every now and then for the gram. This first attempt at the ponytail was tragic. So anyways, I was just like, whatever, we'll just leave it like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and mess around with her edges. So that's what I did. I am using it's just a nice beeswax edge control, and here's the bow from 3P Pods, which you can find them in our Instagram story. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you go?
Bye-bye, Dada.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dee.
Love.
Hi, Mama.
We love you guys so much, and thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.